Today, we are going to take a quick look at the Chubby Adventure Tire Table. The Chubby Adventure Tire Table comes with its own heavy-duty carry bag. The adjustable tire well allows the table to fit a variety of tire sizes. Simply glide in the table, pull down the front support bracket, and tighten lock bolts to secure the table in place. Deploy the retractable pole stand. This allows the table to stay level on uneven ground. Now you have a sturdy table wherever you go, on whatever terrain you're in. Now let's see how to take the table down for stowing. Tuck the pole stand back into the frame. Press the release lever to collapse the support brackets and fold them back into the frame. Glide the table off the tire. Pushing the tire well back into the frame minimizes storage space. Place the Chubby Adventure Tire Table back inside the carry bag and it's ready to be stowed neatly away.